All right, little Spunky. We're gonna start to have our fun here for today. I've started working on getting Spunky to sit on my shoulder. He wants to be a little, you know, circus rooster. So look, oh, no, there we go. Spunky, you just gotta turn around now, Spunky. You just gotta turn around. Can you turn around, Spunky? Turn around. I don't want your butt in my face. Spunky, turn around. Come here. You got it. Okay, you want to come on that side? We can come on this side. There you go. Look at you. You are so smart. He is so smart. He just doesn't want to turn around.